Hello students, good morning. This is Pankaj Desai, our chapter fiber to fabric. Today we are going to start the exercise question answers. Okay, so just focus on it. If you have a textbook, then you can take it with you during watching this video. Okay, let us start from first number question. First number question is that classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic. So first of all, you need to understand what is those two words are. First one is natural and synthetic. Students, natural meaning the products we get from nature. Okay, we obtain from it nature. And synthetic, it means the man-made. It means human made. Okay, human prepare it by themselves. Okay, it used some kind of materials from nature, but they prepare by themselves. Okay, so there given some names: nylon, wool, silk, polyester, jute and cotton. From this you have to separate out which one is natural and which one is synthetic. So I have solution over here. Natural fibers are wool, silk and jute and cotton. So these are the natural fibers, and synthetic fibers nylon and polyester. So these two are synthetic. It means these are prepared in the labs. Okay, these are prepared in the factories. Okay, human made, not nature can give us. Okay, let us move towards the next question. Next question is that whether the statements are true or false. Okay, let us move on it. Yarn is made from fibers. Yarn is made from fibers. Okay, so it is true, but obviously from the fibers we can make yarns. And you should also know which process. This process is known as spinning process. By the spinning process we made yarn from these fibers. Spinning is a process of making fibers. Okay, you have to understand the statement. Spinning is a process of making fibers, but you have in your mind that spinning is a procedure to prepare the yarn from fabrics, but here it is given that fibers, so it is false. Jute is outer covering of coconut. Students, no relation between jute and coconut is there. Okay, so it should be false. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. So it is correct. Ginning is nothing but to remove the seed from the cotton fibers. Okay, from cotton ball it is already mixed with each other, cotton fibers and seeds. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. So we all know that weaving is nothing but to preparation of fabric from the yarns. Okay, silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Silk. So what should be here? It should be jute. Jute is from the stem, but silk is we obtain from the animals. It means silk moth, that you all know. Okay, so this was the true false, and it is very easy. If you have understood it perfectly, you can give any kind of answers. Let us move to the next question. Phillips. First one was plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash. Here are the answers. But plant fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. Okay. Today we have only two answers should be there, cotton and jute, according to our chapter. Second one is animal fibers are silk and wool. Animal fibers are silk and wool. Silk is obtained from silk moth, and wool is obtained from animals like sheep, okay, yak, some variety of camels also, some kind of goat also. They can give us wool. Okay. Question number 4. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? From which part of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Okay, you need to understand the question first. Question says that whole plant, or not a singular, it having different parts. For example, root, stem, leaves, flower, okay, fruits. So which of the part gives us the necessary one? So cotton we obtain from the fruit of the cotton plant, not stem, not leaves, not roots. Okay, it no need of use. So we get only from fruit the cotton fibers. Jute. Jute we obtain from stem of the jute plant. Also flowers are there on the jute plant, but no need of jute flowers are there. We need jute from stem of the plant. Is that clear? So you need to understand these two words. From fruit we get obtain cotton fibers, and from stem we get jute fibers. Question number 5. Name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. Okay, very easy. Some kind of bags are also there in the market which are made from coconut fiber, and you all know that what is coconut fiber. And second one is rope. Here I have an image in which you can see the rope is prepared by using the coconut fibers. Okay. Now question number 6. Explain the process of making yarn from the fibers. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. Process of making yarn from the fibers is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton were drawn out. Drawn out, it means they drawn. The length of it became increased and twisted. This is the main process. Okay, whole cotton plants are twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. This brings the whole fibers together and it becomes a yarn. Okay, by using the heavy machineries, they prepare the spinning process and they prepare the yarn. Okay, so this is the basic procedure. You need to learn it perfectly. Okay, the question. Okay, so if you want to get more update on this, you can refer to the following sites. Okay, and this was the exercise. You need to write down the notebook. Okay, as I have told in the classes also. Okay, and you need to first prepare also. Okay, do that. Bye, have a good day.